HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids, ready to draw a submarine? Let's begin. Start with the tube shape for the periscope. Two slanting lines and a big oval shape for the submarine. Just like that. Let's add some details. Make 3 circles for the windows and smaller circles within. Two wings for a propeller. A curvy line showing the water surface. Done! Now let's give this a nice neat outline. Adding details to our drawing looks awesome. And now it's time to color. Let's start with an orange for the periscope. And some red too. Now blue and purple. Isn't this a really cool submarine? Let's use yellow for the main body for our submarine. Just like this. Keep going with neat strokes. For the front, red will look great. Let's use it for the back too. And now some green. And now some green for the windows. This is turning out great! Use purple for the smaller circles. Pink wings. And a blue and orange fan. Ta-da! Here is our submarine, kids. Are you ready for an underwater adventure?